Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Lay the frame door panel on your work surface with the back of the door frame facing upward. Add a thin layer of wood glue to the joint grooves on the back of the frame. Align your corner brackets at the door frame's bottom, middle, and top. Locate the side panels of your cabinet box and insert them into the grooves on either side. Use your drill and screws to fasten the corner brackets to the front and side panels. Locate the top and bottom panels of your cabinet box. Insert the notched side panels into the grooves at the top and bottom of your door frame. Push firmly to ensure the top and bottom panels are correctly seated within the joint grooves on your door frame and side panels. Use your spot nail gun to fasten them to the door frame on the outside of your cabinet box. Note: we recommend always wearing safety glasses when using nail guns or other pneumatic tools. Locate the large side panels. Slide them into place so your cabinet box's top and bottom panels are firmly seated within the joint grooves on your side panels. Use your drill and screws to secure the connection points where the large side panels meet the top and bottom panels of your cabinet box. Then, use your narrow crown gun to secure the large side panels to the smaller side panels. Locate the narrow back panel and slide it along the joint grooves at the back of your cabinet box. Push firmly or gently tap it with your mallet to ensure it's correctly seated within the channel. Use your Senko fastener to secure the backing to the top and bottom panels of your cabinet box. Stand your cabinet box upright. Insert the shelf supports into the desired holes within your cabinet box and angle the shelf panels into place. Attach the rubber bumpers to the front corners of your cabinet doors. Check the alignment of your doors and adjust the hinges as needed to ensure proper alignment. Congratulations on completing your assembly.